Today we're playing MLB Show 21. We have some packs to open. We have lots of stubs. And let's start opening packs. So first we're going to open the standards. Let's see what we're going to get in our first pack. A bronze. Okay, nothing good. I'm really excited. Hopefully we can pull some diamond. We have first gold and Alex Verdugo. So obviously right now my team is not good on uniforms. Back. I'm just going to stick with, I'm not going to be doing uniforms and all that. We got a silver, Joe Musgrove, do no hitter. Against the Rangers, we got another silver, Hunter Dozier. This is so exciting to play. And we show 21, it's a new game. It's just so different because there's so much different features. And we got a bronze. When will we get our first diamond? A bronze. I'm calling it diamond. Oh, silver. James McCann. Let's get a diamond. Gold. Alright. Next, let's open the tech test. We got this for doing tech test. Do Pomeranz. Next we'll open the bat skin. Jackie Robinson bat. That's a nice bat skin. Next, our first diamond of the year, Roberto Clemente. Let's look at this walkout. Ooh, I like this. That's sick. Oh, I like this. I like this new walkout. Now let's open these gold. Alright. We got 100 Ryu. Dave Fletcher. I gotta do David Fletcher. You know, David Fletcher is a beast. Amazing player. He's so good. Next, Will Myers. Greg Krimble, we're going to pick up. Now let's need the reliever. For equipment, I got to go with the boom bat. Nice batting gloves. Cleats. And I got to do headphones. Alright. I'm just going to sell the headphones. Alright, now we got our first one. What are we going to get? Alright. Ken Griffey, Willie Mays, Babe Ruth. I gotta do Hank Aaron. Hank Aaron, I gotta do him. He's new to the game and hopefully he can do good. Well, now let's open one of the, what's in the jump start? Let's go off and buy this, and we'll buy a jump start. Alright, let's go with the gold pack first. We'll get a diamond. Pete Alonso. Now let's do the standards. Let's get our first diamond, like our real diamond that's not guaranteed. I have one of these packs. Ooh. Jose Brinco. Cesar Hernandez. Silver. Yeah, I have the worst luck ever. What? It's not even possible. I'm never gonna get a diamond with this, right? But you know, just imagine I go down. Oh, gold! Just in turn. It kind of scared me. I thought it was diamond. I was like, bronze. I just want a diamond. Gold. George Springer. 84. that. Hopefully you can go diamond. Tommy La Stella. Let's get diamond. We're not getting diamonds. Where are the diamonds, Ramon? So the odds are 1 out of 50. I opened already like 30, so come on. Where are the diamonds at, Ramon? Alec. Let's go. Let's go. Diamond. Chevrolet. We'll get a diamond. We have to get a diamond. We're not getting any diamonds. Oh, gold. Carlos Correa. We're literally not getting any diamonds. Another gold. No, listen. Why are we getting so much golds? Now we're going to open the jump start. Gotta go Paul Goldschmidt for the first round. The second round. Gotta go Bo. Bowie. Why is Marcel Ozuna not a diamond? I gotta pick him. Nelson Cruz. Oh, then we're gonna get Carrasco. Hopefully Carrasco can pitch this year because of the injury. Let's open one of these, shouldn't we? Let's open a headliner. We're not going to get a diamond. Just imagine. Who's on the market? I have not checked the market yet. Getting used to these new controls. It's like so different. Mike Trout's first. Then Betts. Where's the ground? Oh, Mike Piazza. Let's look at these attributes. How much is he on? These controls are so different. Wander Frank. DeGrom. And then Acuna. These card arts, no, not bad. Should we buy a player? Let's buy a Wander Franco. Let's go, Wander. Wander. Let's check our lineup right now. So, this, obviously I started just today. Got in the mail. Oh, our bullpen. No, it's not the worst. It's not the best. We don't have any diamonds yet in the bullpen. Oh, now let's make the lineup. George Springer. Hank Aaron. Oh my god, we're two. Can Clemente play first? I have no clue. I think Clemente can play first. The Wander Franco. Ooh. I'm gonna choose Baez. This game is just so different. You know? There's so much new overalls. Like, if you want to get this game, you can get it from GameStop or the PlayStation Store. No, I got it from GameStop. Right now, our team isn't looking that bad. Do we have any exchange? Oh, it's a collections. So, this is confusing. Live series, obviously the match will be John Franco 91. How much is Lenore? 59,000. I get it. It's the start of the game. Like, it's new and all. Why am I going to these controls? Alright. We haven't. We're going to buy some packs. Let's buy another. Let's buy a 10-pack. 2 10-packs. Ooh, alright, let's go. Let's go sound good. Dribble, Cabrera. We have to get a diamond. I feel like. Are we gonna get one live series diamond on this team? Right now, it's not looking like it. We're only gonna get flashbacks right now. How it's looking. Come on. Come on, pack odds. Come on, Ramon. Where are the diamonds? Come to a sub and subscribe so I can get my luck. Why? You must have subscribed because we got higher than a bronze. If you subscribe, thank you. Because I think it just helped my pack odds. So, ooh. Just like I said, subscribe so I can get some diamonds. Since you subscribed, I've been literally getting higher than a bronze every time. So subscribe even more. Lewis Ryan, hit the bell. Give me some luck. Still hit the bell anyway. This one, for luck, I'm just gonna close my eyes and see what we get. Okay, tell me it's it. Is it? Why can't I just get a diamond? Come on, Ramon. If it doesn't give me one diamond, I'm gonna rage. It can't give me a diamond. What is happening? Go. 2 silvers. Just imagine we pull like a diamond. Better luck from the silvers. Let's buy another 15. We have to get a diamond. It's not even fair anymore. I think this game is broken. It doesn't give me any diamonds. What is happening? Why can't it give me a diamond? Is it really that hard? Come on, Ramon. Where are the diamonds? This is literally not even fair. Why can't the game just give me a diamond? Come on, pack gods. I opened more than 50 packs. I literally opened more than 50 packs. This has to be my 50th pack. Let's just open one standard. I bet you we're gonna get one. What is this game? I'm just gonna keep opening packs until I get a diamond. Oh my god, Yankee Stadium. I'm gonna get that sell. This game has to give me a diamond. I'm calling it. Diamond. Eyes closed. This will be the last pack of the day, everybody. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe so I can get some more diamonds. I need better luck. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, and I have one more word.